guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make a really awesome and healthy detox asparagus and vegetable soup. It is so perfect for this time of year because rumor has it that these ingredients fight the cold. And I don't know about you, but everybody around me, my husband, my daughter, my family, everybody in the store, they're all like stuffy and coughing, and me too. I just like don't want to admit it. But everybody has a cold this time of year, and I swear that I feel that this soup kind of helps combat that. These ingredients are super healthy and will help you to stay healthy throughout the horrible winter. I like to call this an asparagus soup because it's mainly asparagus based, and that's the kind of the flavor that is dominating in the soup. But there's some other fun vegetables in it. It's really, really tasty. There's plenty of garlic, and you guys are gonna like it. So heads up, after we allow our soup to cook in the crock pot, I'm gonna run what I like to call my boat motor through it, which is just the immersion blender. So I leave a lot of my vegetables whole when they go in. So I'm gonna take my asparagus just like this, washed and clipped, and throw it in my crock pot. I had a bag of shredded carrots in my refrigerator, which I'm going to use because, like I said, we're going to take that immersion blender to it and it's all going to be blended together. But you can use baby carrots, whole carrots, whatever you have, and just dump that in as well. We are starting out with 2 really healthy heavy hitters, and we are going to add a third. Whether you love it, hate it, or don't really think about it one way or the other, onions and garlic are very, very healthy for you, especially for your immune system. I don't know. I don't know the specifics. I don't pretend to be a doctor, but I do know that onion and garlic is very good for you. So we're going to put in a large onion diced up as well. After we have our asparagus, our carrots, our onion, and our garlic in there, we are going to only add 2 other things. We have a vegetable stock and a vegetable broth. We're just going to add both into our crock pot. So then we're just going to give it a nice stir. And then that is it. I promise you, this recipe is delicious. It's one of my husband's favorite. He enjoys it year round. It really is such a tasty soup. And I mean, you just saw it. It's super easy. There's only a few ingredients. I mean, we put a little pepper in it when we eat, but other than that, that's it. The best thing about this recipe is that you could put all your ingredients together. You can even do it the night before because there's no meat or cheese or anything like that in there. And then just pop it on and let it run all day. I like to put mine on high and let it go for at least 5 hours. However, if you wanted to let it go longer, you could definitely pop it down to low. It's not really going to burn or anything like that, so it's only going to get better with time. Your soup is actually done when your veggies are soft, so you can let it go a little bit longer, especially if you leave it on while you're at work. But once your veggies are soft, you could run the immersion blender through your crock pot, get it all blended, and my favorite thing about this soup is that it almost mimics a creamy soup. You almost get a creamy asparagus feel to it after you blend it with the immersion blender. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this weekly. Find me on Instagram at Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.